Cortona, this elegant country house opens in a scenic view across 400 square meters, 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, restored from a 17th century farmhouse. The exterior preserves the 17th century character of the restored farmhouse, framed by the landscaped garden and the Valdichiana countryside, with original stone walls and traditional proportions. Adjacent to the residence, the study holds a quiet workspace with natural light and access to the outdoor grounds, a functional room for work and reading. At the pool edge, the infinity water mirror stretches toward the horizon, surrounded by 700 square meters of manicured lawn and automated irrigation serving the estate. The pool gathers the sunlight and the panoramic views over the hills, with a private well serving the estate and the surrounding grounds. Poolside, the water surface reflects the sky and the surrounding greenery, bathed in the calm of the Tuscan landscape and framed by the garden. From here, the panorama embraces the rolling countryside between Valdichiana and Val d'Orcia, a serene backdrop for the residents and the outdoor spaces. The sun deck extends along the water, a generous space for outdoor relaxation under the open sky throughout the day, with direct access to the pool. Facing the garden, the terrace welcomes moments of quiet. Sheltered by the structure and overlooking the grounds below, a covered outdoor area. Higher up, the balcony frames the distant hills and the valley, a secluded corner with views across the estate and the surrounding countryside. Crossing the threshold, the living room holds the day zone in natural light, with underfloor heating on the ground floor and access to the terrace. In the same area, the fireplace gathers warmth and character, a focal point for the family in the cooler months, with traditional finishes. The living room stretches through generous proportions, connecting the interior spaces with calm finishes and daylight from the windows across the ground floor. More intimate, the lounge rests in a collected corner, a quiet retreat within the 12 rooms of the residence, with views onto the garden. The sitting room embraces a second gathering space, sunlit and well-kept, with views onto the garden and the countryside, a serene area. Overlooking the terrace, the dining room welcomes family meals in a bright, articulated area with direct access to the outdoor spaces and natural light. On the upper level, the bedroom holds a fireplace and radiator heating, a warm retreat with sloped ceilings and quiet light overlooking the estate. Connecting the sleeping quarters, the hallway stretches along the upper floor, linking the 4 bedrooms with understated finishes and natural brightness from the windows. Further along, the staircase rises through the residence, a well-lit passage between the ground floor and the upper level, with traditional steps. The bedrooms gather on this floor, each a serene space with daylight and views over the garden and the hills across the upper level. In the sleeping area, the second bedroom rests in a quiet, well-proportioned room, with calm finishes and morning light overlooking the countryside. On the upper floor, the third bedroom extends in a secluded corner, bathed in natural brightness and overlooking the estate, with sloped ceilings. The bedroom holds a generous space with sloped ceilings, a peaceful retreat with views across the countryside and the valley, the fourth of the residence. The bedroom closes the sleeping quarters in a sunlit, intimate room, the fourth of the residence, with quiet finishes and views onto the garden. The bathroom gathers understated finishes and daylight, the first of 5, with calm proportions and access to the hallway, a functional space. The bathroom on the ground floor holds a second well-kept space, bright and functional, with natural light from the window and traditional finishes. Higher up, the bathroom extends in a quiet corner, the third of the residence, with serene finishes and morning brightness overlooking the garden. The bathroom closes the upper level in a discreet, sunlit space, the fourth, with calm proportions and views onto the garden, a well-kept room.